Hello and welcome to this new video on my channel. Hope you are enjoying all my videos on the channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. This video is about a new feature release on Microsoft Power BI. So let's have a deeper look at that. Hello and welcome to another episode of Abstract Thesis series, and in today's video we will learn one of the enhancements which came in July 2025 in the visual calculations. To look at that enhancement, let's quickly jump onto the release notes of July 2025 release. I am here on the July 2025 feature summary, and if we scroll down, we will see few features inside reporting. And one of the features which came inside reporting is influencing sort for visual calculations preview. Let me click on that. If I go down, you can see more details about this feature. So let's read through the notes. We have added highly requested feature to visual calculation. Most of the calculation exclusive functions are now have an optional order by parameter using the order by function. Previously, it was available with functions like index, offset, and window. This option is now included in functions such as running sum, moving average, previous, and more. This improvement increased the flexibility and capability of visual calculations, allowing for the advanced computation based on data sorting. For instance, now you can use running sum for Pareto analysis by sorting data in descending order. To visualize the top selling product colors, you can use chart as demonstrated in the example. You can observe that the percentage of total is been calculated here as a measure, and then running sum percentage of grand total. Now it is by default sorted on the name, so that is why you see that the issue rises because it is sorted alphabetically, so you are not able to see the chart. What we used to do previously for that, we used to use the window function for that. But now we don't need the window function anymore. What we can do now is running sum percentage of grand total, comma, order by sales amount descending. In this manner, you will be able to easily create Pareto analysis by using running sum in the visual calculation. This is an example how this new parameter enable more advanced and flexible calculation using visual method. We encourage you to try and share your feedback with us. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to jump onto the Power BI file and explain you this feature by giving some examples. In this video, I am using end-to-end visual calculations file from my full Power BI video, and it is using my common sales model, which I have shown you many times in the past. It includes a sale table joined with item, customer, geography, and date table in the star schema model. So let me continue the visual calculations journey with you by creating a new visual on a new page. So let me go to the report view and a new page from right bottom. I added a new page. Now on this new page, let me add a table visual. And inside this table visual, let me add item brand. In the same visual, I would also like to add my measure, the net measure, which I am usually using in all my videos. I would also like to check that in file do I have a measure which is very similar to percentage of grand total. I have percent of GT percentage net. Let me see. So this is net divided by net all selected. I think this should do the job for me. So let me drag this, and as you can see, this is showing me percent of grand total. Let me do one thing. Let me sort it on net. I've sorted this on net. I would now like to add percentage of running sum to create Pareto analysis. And to do that, I'm going to go to Home tab, New Visual Calculation, Running Sum. And here in the visual calculation formula bar, I can see my calculation. And running sum, it is asking for a field. What field I want to give here is percent of net is the field which I want to use. And let me commit this running sum. What we can observe is this is not following the order what we need for Pareto analysis. We need to edit this formula, but instead of doing that, let me first duplicate this visual to create one more visual similar to this. Let me convert this into a line clustered column chart, and let me move the percentage of total and percentage of running total onto the line y-axis. As we can observe, this does not look like a Pareto analysis. So now I'm going to edit the calculation, and as you know, visual calculation is specific to a visual. I'm going to change it into the bar visual, not on the table visual, and you will be able to see the difference. So now I need to edit this calculation. To edit this calculation, let me go to edit visual calculation. I'm editing it only into the line visual, and here I'm going to give the additional parameter of order by inside the running sum. Running sum comma order by, and in order by I'm going to give net or percentage of grand total, anything I can give. Here I can give net comma DESC because I want the descending sort, and then I'll close one more parenthesis, press enter, and I got my running sum. And as you can observe that my line is now showing the correct order for the sum of percent of grand total. Let me go back and showcase you something which we have learned in the past, is that we can format this correctly. And to format this percentage correctly, as of now it is showing as decimal place, I can go to the properties, data format, and inside that I can choose running sum. I can choose the format as percentage, and it will start displaying the correct percentage values. Can we do these things on other visual calculations also? Let me make this visual a little small, increase the width of the table visual. And the table visual, I have not changed my running sums. I'm going to leave that as is right now. But now let's say I want to compare with the previous based on the net. So let's try that out. The new visual calculation versus previous. I got my versus previous. Field is net minus previous net. So versus previous net minus previous net. And now let me, in the previous function, let me give the order by net descending the ESC, and let me close a parenthesis to close the calculation of previous and commit this calculation. Now let's understand this. The first one is giving me versus previous as same because there was no value. Now this one is giving me versus previous based on the value of net in the previous row. Based on descending order of net, it is only diff by 56,000. Same way, here it is a difference of around 100k, 121k to be exact, and you can see the difference out here. In this manner, you are able to see how order by parameter can help us in doing more complex visual calculations, and we can utilize that. The exercise for you is to calculate ABC analysis using this. So less than 80% is A, 80 to 95% is B, 95% onward is C. And let me know the formula in the comments of this video, and I'll reply back with the correct formula also. So why don't you go ahead and try this out, and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this particular video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comment, press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching this particular video. Thank you.